Discovery Charter School, Physical Education, Kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade. This is lesson number 7. This is for the ring toss. What you're going to need is 2 paper towel cardboard tubes, just like this, or you're going to need 4 toilet paper cardboard tubes, and 2 of them will be taped together to make one of these. Actually, you want 2 of them. You're going to need some tape. You're going to need 5 paper plates. I used 2 larger ones, and I taped the cardboard tubes to the paper plate. That's for our rings, to throw our rings on. I used a pair of scissors on 3 smaller paper plates to cut a hole in those to make our rings. Also, you want 1 piece of paper and 1 pencil. I wrote down 1 through 10 for our ring toss scores. After our 10 rounds, I'm going to add them all up at the end and see what we got for our total score. And lastly, you want a marker, and you're going to write down 1 and 2 on these paper plates. Those are going to be the points per ring toss. Good morning, DCS. This is Mr. Cousin. This is for Physical Education, Kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade, lesson number 7. We're going to do our character and learning targets. I can get physically active. I can play safe. I can read my sight words. I can use my numbers. And I can clean up after myself. Okay, today, after our warm-up, we are going to do a Batman exercise routine. You'll be able to find that on a link in our description. It'll be off of YouTube. And then we are going to be doing our ring toss, our primary activity today. Our sight words for today are look, say, spell, cover, write, and check. Okay, we're going to be trying to use those throughout the class, and at the end of class we will use those in a sentence of our own. This is our warm-up. I'm going to see if my assistant is ready. Miss Mackenzie, are you ready?
Yes.
Come on over. All right, we're going to get started with our warm-up. We're going to start with 15 jumping jacks. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Come on over here. We're going to get down in a push-up position, and we're going to do our shoulder touches. We're going to do 20 of them all together. We're going to count, I'm going to do odds, and you're going to do even. So I'm going to say 1, you say 2. I'll say 3, you say 4. And we're going to be in our push-up position and touch our shoulders. Ready? Here we go. 1, you say 2.
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19.
20.
Excellent. Good job. Whew. Ready for some foot fire?
Yes.
Okay, run. Go. Ready? Go. Man, you're fast. Ready? Go. Okay, done. Let's stretch. Butterfly stretch. Feet together. Let's back up a little bit so they can see. Butterfly stretch. And we are going to do the alphabet, okay? I'm going to say A, you say B. I'll say C, you say D. Ready? Nose to toes. A,
B,
C,
D,
E,
F,
G,
H,
I,
J,
K,
L,
M,
N,
O,
P,
Q,
R,
S,
T,
U,
V,
W,
Y, X,
Y.
Z.
Now I know my ABCs.
Next someone to sing with me.
So good. One leg in, one leg out. Okay. Okay, keep that leg that's out nice and straight. We're going to be reaching to stretch. And we're going to do the opposite of that count that we did last time. I did odds and you did even. So this time, You're going to do odds, and I'm going to do evens. That means you're going to start with 1. I'll say 2. You'll say 3. I'll say 4. All the way up to 20. Ready? Reach.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19.
and 20. Good job. Last thing, switch. We're going to count by 5s up to 100. You're going to start by 5. I'll say 10. You say 15. I'll say 20. All the way up. Ready? Reach forward. Go ahead.
5,
10,
15,
20,
25,
30,
35,
40,
45,
50,
55,
60,
65,
70,
75,
80,
85,
90,
95.
100. Woohoo! High five. Don't leave me hanging. Okay, stand up. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to do our Batman workout.
Ooh.
You'll find this link on YouTube in the description. Let's get that going. Our next part is, like I said, the Batman workout. If you come over here and look, we are going to do the Dark Knight workout part 1, which is 3 minutes and 32 seconds. You will find this link in the description of our YouTube class. All right, my assistant, Miss Mackenzie, are you ready to do this?
Yes.
All right, let's beat some bad guys. This is going to be 30 seconds of work with 10 seconds of rest. Here we go. Punch, 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 duck. 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 Be careful about the people around you. Punch, 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 duck. 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 Rest. Whew. Man, Batman's in good shape.
Yes.
All right,
How do
you
I
ready?
do
Here we
that?
go. Bane strikes. Lunge down, uppercut. Alternate legs. Lunge down, uppercut. Lunge down, punch up to the air. Woo. And up top. As high as you can. Up. And rest. Okay, DCS, your turn. DCS, this is lesson number 7, ring toss. We're going to start with putting our targets in front of us, and it is labeled 2 points and 1 point. We have our rings made out of paper plates with a big hole cut in the center. We are going to take turns, my assistant and I, tossing these rings, and we are only a few feet back because these don't really travel very far, being so light. We also have a piece of paper and our pencil. Number 1 through 10 is written on the side. We are going to write down our score each time, and we are going to add them up at the end for our total score. Miss Mackenzie, I'm going to go first and then you go, okay? Here we go. Ooh, that's 2 points. That's 4. 4 points. Why don't you go? 4 points for me.
Okay, let's see how many points I get.
Don't. That's okay.
I 0.
That's okay. That's all right. Maybe next time, right?
Yep, maybe next time I'll get more points.
All right. Try it again. Do you want to go start the second round, or do you want me to go?
I'll let you go.
Okay.
Do this.
If it's too hard, you can always go up a little bit further, a little closer to it, okay? All right. Let's try it again. Ooh.
4.
Don't. I only got 2 points that time.
Better luck next time.
Better luck next time.
Next. Can I scratch it?
You gonna get it a little closer? Perfect.
Kind of.
Ooh, that sure should have counted. That counts. That's 1 point. Hey! High five. Okay, so that's 2 points and that's 1 point.
So that makes 3.
That makes 3 points.
2 plus 1 is 3.
That's right. Can you get those? And
Yep.
thank you, assistant.
Hope you have good luck.
Thank you. Whew, this is tough.
2, 4, 5.
5 points for Mr. Cousin / Dad. All right, Miss Mackenzie, your turn. 2, 4, 6. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble.
I have 6 points.
All right, DCS, your turn. At the end of our ring toss lesson, we're gonna add up our scores. I'm gonna start with my assistant, Miss Mackenzie. Miss Mackenzie, your total score was 43. Miss Mackenzie beat Mr. Cousin by 6. I had 37 and she had 43. Good job, Miss Mackenzie. When you finish adding up your score, please write it down in the comments below, letting us know how well you did, how much fun you had. Our sight words. My assistant, Miss Mackenzie, who's sitting PLP right here, she's going to help me put each one into a sentence. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The first word is look.
Look at that tree.
Look at that tree. Perfect. Next one, say.
Say a kind word. I can say a kind word.
I can say a kind word. That was excellent. Next one, spell.
I can spell a word.
You can spell a word. I can spell a word too. Very good. Now let's go with cover.
I can cover myself with a blanket.
I can cover myself with a blanket. Very good, Miss Mackenzie. Almost done. Write.
Can you write a word on your paper?
Can you write a word on your paper? So good. Last one. Check.
I check mark my paper.
I check mark my paper. Excellent. Okay. Our character targets, let's see if we, and our learning targets, let's see if we covered those. Did we get physically active today? Yes. Did we play safe? We did. Did we read our sight words?
Yes.
Yes. Did we use our numbers? Did we clean up after ourselves? Excellent.
Mostly.
We will. If we haven't, we will right now, right?
Yes.
Okay. Miss Mackenzie, thank you for your help today. And I will see you guys later. Bye, DCS.
Bye.